Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that we all experience, but don't always think too much about until we get there. Getting from the airport to your hotel. And I'm not just talking about booking a ride. I'm talking about making sure you're getting the best deal and feeling like you're in good hands when you arrive. Picture this for a second. You've just landed in a new city, you're tired, but you're excited to start your trip. You've picked up your luggage, and now it's time to head to the hotel. It might seem like a small thing, but how you get there sets the tone for your whole trip. So, how do you figure out the real cost of your ride? Here's the thing, the price you see when a meter is running might not be the full price. There are usually extra costs, tolls, surcharges, and those can add up. No one wants those kinds of surprises, right? That is why services like GetTransfer are such a relief. They make it easy to know exactly what you're going to pay up front. You see the fixed price before you even get in the car. There is no guesswork involved. You can figure out exactly what it'll cost you to get to your hotel. Let's talk about flexibility. When you book through GetTransfer, you're not just picking any old taxi. You get to choose the type of car you want, whether it's a standard economy ride or something a bit more comfortable. It's like having a custom experience right from the start. Do you want to deal with figuring out the cost and route of a random taxi, or would you prefer the peace of mind knowing exactly what's going to happen? Personally, I'll go with the second option every time. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about feeling like you're in safe hands. Also, let's talk about the what-ifs. Like, what if your flight is delayed? Usually, waiting times can change the final price. But with GetTransfer, they understand that plans change. They offer free waiting time at airports, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck with a huge bill just because your flight was late. Another huge thing is transparency. You can see reviews from other travelers who've used the same driver. We all know how important reviews are when we're trusting someone with our time and money. It's comforting to know that the driver is experienced and that the car is in good condition. And the cool thing is that these services don't just stop at the basics. They understand that you might have special needs. Maybe you need extra space for luggage, or you want a particular type of premium car. They make it super easy to book exactly what you need. But you know what really stands out? It's the human element. We're talking about a service that values your time and comfort. Whether you are in Europe, Asia, or America, they make it feel like you're not just another booking. They understand what travelers need globally. So, to wrap this up, when you're looking at the cost of your ride, don't just look at the number on your screen. Think about the convenience, the flexibility, and the peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, travel is about making sure your journey is as smooth as possible. Thanks for listening, and safe travels.